Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to fix card declined on PayPal. If your card is being declined on PayPal, then here is how to troubleshoot and fix the issue. First of all, make sure that your card number, expiration date, and CVV code are correct while linking a card. Verify that your billing address matches the one on your PayPal account as well, and make sure your card has enough balance or credit limits to cover the transaction. Also, make sure to contact your bank to ensure that there are no blocks or restrictions on online or international transaction. If that doesn't fix your issue, then try updating or relinking your card. Go to Wallet button at the bottom right corner from the home page of PayPal and then tap on Add New button right next to Cards. Click on the debit and credit card option and then make sure to tap on the wallet button from the main homepage at the bottom right corner, and then you will be able to see your card that has been linked to your account. Select the card you want to remove and then tap on Remove Card and then link the card one more time. After you relink or update your credit card or debit card, you might be able to fix your issue. If the problem still continues, you can contact PayPal support. Go ahead and tap on the Home button from your PayPal account and tap on your profile picture at the top right. Within your profile section, tap on Help, and then from the Help Center, scroll all the way down and tap on Contact PayPal Support. Now you can choose one of the contact methods. You can message PayPal customer service, contact Resolution Center, or directly make a phone call to PayPal. After selecting any one options, make sure to explain the issue and follow their guidance. Be as specific as you can be while explaining the situation to them. After you do that, you will be guided on further process that you can follow in order to help fix your card declined issue. Just make sure to speak to them with much detail as possible about your card issue. So those were some of the fixes you can follow if your card is being declined on PayPal. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, make sure to go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Basics for more PayPal tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.